me with that St. Mary. St. Mary with there. St. Mary with there.
Oh, Miss Daddy careful, you know. Yeah, man, yeah, careful.
Hey, Parry. St. Mary with there. St. Mary with say. Uncle Murphy, they bought the place, so no soon see him. I clean off that stove here, because last time we come here, we have to rush you, we never get to clean off now, but that. Life rough, but so are we kind of rough here too. So what happened here now, we are cleaning off the stove. We don't have any breakfast, so we start cook of food. I cook 2 dumplings, some saltfish we have here. We didn't come for roast yam, but this year the yam crap, we don't get nothing, brother. We don't get nothing from the yam crap, so I wipe on stove and something. And we have cooked up of food, you see me? So I will catch you in the next clip. Up the sun hot up here, but me not complain. Because guess what? Me have stuff to do up here when make me glad for the dry weather here. Because when the rain fall, it can't happen so. Me glad for the dry weather here. So me I do what me have to do, but I feel like me I go lay down because I never sleep so well last night. No, I never sleep so well. Wake up early. So me I clean out the stove and left them. Uncle Murphy I gonna look a chef in, so me I go inside. Over the next part of the house, so I'm gonna look a straightening up. Never mind if she come to clean up, you know. So Parry, guess what? Uncle Murphy hear them up, not talk to them. See Uncle Murphy come here.
Parry, pick up on yourself. Morning time, set me again, you know?
And out that door, the thing they never put in the fan and me feel chill. But they prefer the coolness than the heat, we can't have the heat. So Uncle Murphy, I look to pan and eat this, so show them Uncle Murphy, I look to pan. Over this one, me I wipe off his stove here. So, we will get you in at the next step, you know, because we have nice weather, really warm. And let me tell you something, my first Mrs. St. Mary at Anton, up here hot. You know, said that and something over here from Pierre joke up here, joke. That's why here I'm never know if we all get one brush. So, me I clean off stove here and then start face water problem up here already. So guess what? I'll catch you all in the next clip. Alright, so Uncle Murphy, wanna see Uncle Murphy the pan the flour mix at the first. Murphy, I first. I think I first then see you make flour, you know.
Yeah, first.
Murphy, anglob. Man, anglob flour. Yeah.
First, then see me make flour.
Uncle Murphy, I make flour. Yeah, Murphy, I cook, man. And I have him pattern over here, so you know, all the food they will eat today, though. Because we come with the intention to get yellow yam for roast. Somebody can't have all the saltfish, yeah. So, Uncle Murphy, a man cooking this, you know, but I don't eat them today, you know. Parry, I go dust out in my room and go lay down because Uncle Murphy, I roll the flour. The flour roll.
Well, then we cook some dumpling and send some go give one lady up one of my friend. She
want dumpling.
She said, how me get the dumpling them so soft?
Yeah.
When she make it then puff.
Yeah, flour puff. She don't understand how. You see them something here is not a fast moving thing, you know, Murphy.
No.
Yeah. So I could show them Uncle Murphy rolling dumpling and all of that.
To do it.
Yeah, and all of that. So that gone over and gully gone look for me. Never know him I look for, but we catch them Uncle Murphy in our next clip. Yeah man,
Alright, party.
Yeah man. Alright, Uncle Murphy, I roll flour. Flour. What a boil the Murphy here, boiling and going and pot there.
I boil up.
I show you Uncle Murphy making dumpling, them I open up, take note, you know, I zoom up on it. You see how he make him dumpling them do him a man, you know. This is like everybody make them dumpling different. Show them it, Murph.
See there?
Yeah. Dumpling in a pot there. Why Murphy I say make dumpling pretty? I know the woman them go want you know Murphy because they want you already, you know. And then me don't know why them all come up front now. That dumpling I make.
Yes, Parry, I make some dumpling, you know?
Yeah. See how he make for him dumpling like first. And the flour, the dough just looks soft and nice.
You eat them dumpling, you
No, when them see them I don't Murphy, them have to take you this year. Ah, show them. See the Murph? This is a man making dumpling party. Yeah.
One is spoiled.
One is spoiled, so you carry him.
Yeah, carry him up.
Yeah. They say, lady say, how you make the dumpling them so?
She wonder how me do it and it's so soft.
You see that little petting when pet around the dumpling. Yeah. And I say nothing more you go talk, nothing more you go get too rude. You see that little petting the ladies? I can't give them that shot of that petting around at the dumpling there. Yeah. We don't watch it, you know. I go upon it, you know. Yeah. Yeah, you see that little petting around there, you know. I'm not tell on nothing, you know. That's a little special touch, y'all. Yeah. Hey. No, sir. Woo. Hey, that one your mother road. Next clip, yeah. Alright, Fari, we are checking back for Uncle Murph. You know, in the kitchen today, there's some food me wait on feet, you know. Saltfish a scala.
It's almost finished.
And a film pot that. Food pot, then always white and pretty. Yeah. Find a piece of yellow yam.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, yellow yam crab bad this year, Fari. Yeah, you don't get nothing.
Not much.
Find one little piece, so. Yeah, set Uncle Murphy, we don't carry no tomato, because we implant for roast, but we work with the onion for now. Yeah, man. And we have a black pepper and garlic, cook it up and something. Alright, next clip, Parry.
Yes, but we have to clean up the salvage, you know. Take off the scale off it. Have the scale off it and then pick it up.
Me tell you, to go look like you know, man.
About sugar.
Onion and fry up.
Frying some one, yeah. One, this one, no man, yeah. Sorry, carry on with it. Sorry.
I'll take a one.
I wrong, see. It's the wrong room.
Wrong room.
Yeah, everybody room story. It's the wrong room.
Wrong room.
Yeah, Barry and the man, they might do it today.
Yes, Barry, we pick up the saltfish, you know. Get the saltfish ready.
You know what you're saying? I'm doing what you're saying in the kitchen. Now we pass some food from your free. Lord God, you wait for the dumpling piece of yam and a banana. I mean, I have to cut some tomato when I have done there. I mean, I said, no, I roast, I have a roast saltfish in a run.
Yeah.
That's what
And
he said.
roast yam. You know, believe in a whether something in him, in a reaction. But nowadays, people call it karma. But first time party, then call it reaction. Let me tell you all something. I'm saying this to say that me and Uncle Murphy and Dad are all a little media off camera and so. So we don't want to put certain things, but I'm just draw that little reference if I say. I'm going to tell you something, man. You see, if you do good on this planet, doesn't matter what anybody want to say about you. It doesn't matter what anybody want to say to you. It doesn't matter what anybody want to think about you. The good that you do will return to you. And if you do the opposite of good, which is not good or bad, listen, it is coming back around to you. It doesn't matter how long it takes. And sometimes it doesn't come around to you full force, but it come around by your children. I have seen it so many times. Karma never fails to show up. Karma never fails. When it is time, sometimes karma comes around back when people that have, nice, you're not nice, somebody, you're gone and you just continue being not nice. You understand? And you not think about karma and you say, Chum, what am I come talk about karma? What kind of karma them I chat about? Come back to you. You know what I'm saying? So, I can just encourage people to do good. Yes, it is hard when you do good, and sometimes you even do more than your fair share of good. And you just been so, people just tarnish you and just take your good for weakness and everything, but it doesn't matter. And as I said on a vlog, I think it was Kimmy's mukbang. I hope you'll get to watch that mukbang when it's posted. I don't know which video you'll see first. I find myself struggling to be the good person that I used to be. I know I've helped so many people. I do not put it on camera. I'm not that sort of person. I do to what I can do, and I've helped so many. And I'm finding myself so hard now to be that nice Debbie. But Kimmy turned and said to me, but Miss Debbie, you have to be that nice Debbie, because you don't know any other Debbie. This is the nice Debbie, I find myself like literally hiding, staying out of people here, just for people not see me if you say this, that, or the other. I say, oh, that, I know, I'm not doing it, but I find myself like me. I say to myself, Lord, I just can't do any more good. I get too much bashing for being good. But I have to be good. So I'm just saying, karma always return. And karma not return for people think like say karma return for bad people. No. Your karma can be a good karma. And your karma can be a bad karma. You have the good karma. Remember that. Whatever you do, good karma comes back. And if you do good, the good karma comes. If you do bad, bad karma come. You're full of lady. You come on up here, you so have full up there, man. Pay and go buy full of lion. The things that they do to me. I used to show them a little chicken them pan camera. I can't show them no more. I can't even tell you how it go. It is so, how it went, it is so disgraceful. Oh, me lose the foul them that I can't even share it with them. But it's okay. And it wasn't the foul I was talking about. I just to hear them I say it. When you hear that song, you know, say foul here. But anywho, I'm just bringing this little piece in. Because I know I'm always, I just like to share something. Sometimes I wish I could share more and say stuff. But Mother used to say some things are best left alone. Or all time people say, let mom be the word on certain things. But good karma is there. Bad karma is there. Now we're pan food. Next clip.
Alright.
Alright. Uncle Murphy, I boy for him. Is it a good amount of saltfish you bring?
Yeah.
You see if time you go look at little aki. Hey. Uncle Murphy, me not tell like Paris. No come here tonight this. You say pretty and nice. I boy for your money, Murph. So Paris, food done and look here. Me not dish no food today. Me I make the cook. Me I make the cook dish out in food first. Me I go take my chair and sit down here so I eat so me I eat cause you so family. Yeah. Me I make the cook dish out for you. When the man dish out for you, me show. Yeah, Uncle Murphy the chef. So I'm dish out for you. We are make him. It's fair for the chef to dish him food first. He's our food first. So me sit down here so after the chef, now they are gonna dish for you after. Eh?
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Dumpling them pretty. Murphy, I feel like I'm gonna eat. Hey Murphy, me not tell the lie, Yeah, we want them seeds, so me not have no money like there no foot. Yeah. Not tell the lie. And there, Mr. One lady said she want where your wife there. Me say me can't tell Uncle Murphy wife there. Family no need that. Food ready? You come dish your food. Choose how to people them. Show them. Show. Say hi to people them. Them not see from man. Tell them what you do.
I do flashing part and the house now.
For house.
My house part.
Okay. Alright. Yeah.
Alright, I want that now.
Yeah. Alright. So sure.
See the party.
Come dish some food. Come here. Come dish your food.
That's me.
Tommy come. Alright, Parry. This is dad. Just dish some food in there, but I go on like say. Everybody can get piece of yam, don't? Yeah, Uncle Murphy, I respect you here, sir. Manners, brother, manners. Yeah, real big time, big man cooking this, you know, man. Parry, I not have nothing because I go down a bow shoe down there nearly more than almost an hour. And down there with him, because I deal with something in the house, you know, man. Me a video. Me a record.
You can't go?
What, phone? Check some pin. I don't know. Check so. Can't bother with this. You carry down for nothing of this you carry down. Well, no, sir. Let me dish and bowl. Bonjour! Come, man. Come. Bonjour. Come. You dish for you. Yeah. Show a dish. You have the man and manners today in a party. Yeah. Show a dish in food. Come take up flour dumpling, boy. Have them and manners today. When you done my dish for me, them know for my life go already. Come you take up food. I think that when them they go stay but in gone. So I left the cliff my pass back and want it, think you can get it, you know. Yeah, cause you not take up no yam. Uncle Murphy cook it that everybody can get piece, man. No man, that only a piece take up slice, man. Yeah, man. We cookie that Jesus name. I want the piece to get in a show. Oh God, man. Eh? I said, Parry, I said, I don't know Uncle Murphy fix up this and nice and pretty and we not tomato. You know what more? Put a more sugar by your food, man. Sure, put a more saltfish by your food. I want to see a man. I saw him stay in a Parry. Yeah, alright. Blessings. One go eat. Why? Parry. I'm in this sinner, so I sit down here, so. That over there, so behind the camera. Show them Uncle Murphy.
Yes, me not eat.
I feel chair that in the Parry. Yeah. We say, you know, I'm buy that chair. I years we buy that chair, then I turn, so I'm going to go get that next one to make the pier. Me can't, every time I go, I say, come, so then I'm about 20,000 for like that now. Yeah, Uncle Murphy chair on the pier. Yeah, well, I'm always relaxing night, but you know, say I'm have to take a risk. I might drive.
Yeah.
You see Uncle Murphy later, that go feed car come give man, so we run a back here. And we eat, we both highly, yeah, because we eat saltfish and sit and look here. Uncle Murphy may enjoy the food.
Oh, nice one.
Me enjoy the food, them a slam, them always a slam. Why? Yeah, you never lock it in, that's why. So we in here, we eat our belly full. Only thing they never get for mix the wash with the salt. But guess what? It's okay, me drink water. I can't go drink water, so look here, shoe down in my house, I deal with him look at thing. And I soon show on the shoe house. I know people are wondering what happened. But shoes house is okay. Let me make sure. You know, when it's at a point, remember I told you that I'm just gonna show it to you and show the people who help him, you know, because as I said to you, donations have ceased coming in from, you have to say like when him did that for getting house cap on. That was where it really got rough, and we just have to leave it away and find a different way out. But we're gonna show you. So I do some rendering in him house then now. Yeah man. All I'm fixed as there already, everything is refrigerator, all of them something with us, so wait for get it paint up. As did I tell you, his electricity is in him house wired. Yeah. So Mafia help himself because money not there for pay, and if him can do it, why not? So we're gonna show you about show house. Don't worry yourself, man. You're gonna be surprised. So yeah, him down there, him do him thing, and we up here. It's a really beautiful Sunday. Really beautiful. Me eat, and then guess what? Me I gonna take a little nap in our coat. So me for just you know, Uncle Murphy think that, you know. Uncle Murphy I said, Uncle Murphy deserve man, dress up yourself again for lunch. Lunch was really good, let me tell you. I must say, let me tell you, this Uncle Murphy, this spring was properly done. Why? Whoever bring you up, you know, bring you up good. Any woman that come here ends up to know, say them have to know how to cook, you know. Then can't come cook any, me say the saltfish and the dumpling and the yam food clean and pretty as you saw. And yeah, thank God for Jesus. We are here. We are here. We are here doing what we are doing. Come up and tell you something. It's not easy for make, you know. And I'm not gonna tell you that it's not easy for make a Jamaica. Let me tell you, I have, you know, found myself checking out other places. It's not easy for make nowhere. From a long time, it's not easy for make, you know. I can remember when my mother made that little room around this, so and draw that little veranda there. I like forever. And when she accomplished that, it was like the world. So I couldn't come up here, come watch it and go and gully. So look here. When you not have no money, you're not rich, and when you not want to take no loan from no lending agency, you gotta do it how you can. So look here. If you're out there, you're building a house and you're at a point and you know, say, look here, I am at this point and I don't want nobody nothing, pick up yourself, it's challenging and you want it to push further, you want other stuff to be done, but look here. Remember where you were before you started and look at where you are now. Also easy to make, so look here. And to those people too, I want to say, who people have like come up, I see a lot of it going on, you know, ask for help for you on YouTube. And God, you know, people, donors come out and help. You all make sure, because to all the people who donate for people get also living in. Because I know definitely, and all of who donate have also themselves a foreign. You get what I say? But people just have kind heart, as I was talking about it. When you have a kind heart, that's how it goes. So, house not easy to make. So, when you don't have lump sum of money, and you know, say you not take no loan from the lending agency, you got to do it how you can. Yeah, it might not be at the point that you want it to be, but try to remember, say, see this morning I was coming and I stopped and got a few bags of cement. 100, how much did $150? It was 1,500. Now it's 1,650. So 100, so it's $450 extra. Right? We buy 3 bags of cement coming up. Right? Because him tell me say him want to finish render out and him cement short. And we up here and stop and get 3 bags. And look here. 150 gallons per each bag. But me at all the thing did I go. I'm kind of surprised that him name raise it again. It had 1,500 for little longer too. So let me tell you. Hey man, this one show the Boshu house. Boshu, right now, Boshu is over the moon. You know, so we are showing it, man. We are showing it when certain things happen, everything. So that's where it is. We are here, we are going. Take your time. So whatever you're doing, do it how you can do it. And sometimes you have to take a break. If you have to take a break, you just have to take a break. Is what I say. So, but not a big stick over here. There's a sit down, the place is so quiet. And guess what? I go out a little fiber, catch up the nerves. Your Uncle Murphy fall asleep. I don't know where you go, but that.
Yeah, Paris, so I am. Are you that outside there? Or me in a Cobb favorite couch is when she come here. She already church tonight, so she not there today, so me in it, so maybe get her off from there for me, yeah? And me turn down, but in a feel chilly. Outside the sun hot, but actually the floor is very cold. It cool and that me I tell myself say me have to go get a rug for both shoe when him play in Thailand put in because down there I got cold. And both shoe cool. Yeah, the floor I got cold. Like that? Yeah, I think so. Make sure. So yeah, I'm here. Me I go take a little 5. So in that couch I make a cup. So yeah, but for something there for we can't give both shoe one of that. You put him tissue in a tissue holder. Can give him put one of that in the bathroom. Yeah, so that's what is happening me there, so stretch out. Yeah. Turn off the light here for me now, please. So I catch you in the next clip of me and Daddy and Uncle Murphy run off kitchen. Show down I'm house. We come see my work this morning. Busy man. And so. Yeah, I go sit down here. So I know a little doors will catch me. Light off. Next clip, Parry.
Parry, we are head on home. We done a little tidying up. Dishes wash up, stove wipe off. I do the toilet bowl them and the face basin them and I clean out the bath. Cause you know, true we not tile yet. You know the dust continue to come and certain things don't do so. Each time they come here a few weeks ago. We never get that because we got to deal with the burying ground. So we never get to do that. So I got that done today and I feel good. It's a lot of dust. I have one more little thing for them. I'm going to brush off the front. All the plant then now go and go. The pure drought up here. Time dry. But you know what happened? God is good. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling blessed. I am blessed. Yeah, I'm so blessed. That's all I can say, blessed. Parry, never let the evil around you. Never let it take control of you. Steer on top of things. If you know you're blessed, just give everything to God. Look here. Some things come on sometimes, can I tell you? They're not meant for you to take them on. They're not for you. You can't manage them more than you. So just give it to who specializes in those things. So we're going to move here now. We're not in a hurry still. We could have stayed till a little later. But we're not in a hurry. We have to take our time. We are going left and round at the kitchen, you know, and we're going on the front. Thanks for watching. I hope you will continue to watch. Leave me a comment below. Remember to make sure that you're subscribed. Turn on your post notification bell. And I'll catch you again with another video. Love you. Me want it in a round bun then.
Yeah, man.
Me want some round bun, man.
Me
a country man in a me want round bun and round bread in a bread and big bread.
Alright.
Yeah, big bread, round bread.
Everything me have.
Yeah.
Yes, you want round bun. How much are you want?
Give me about how much? Give me about 6.
6.
Come like that. And go we have our country, you know. With that country already. Give one bread them, no man.
Yeah, man. Me I
Right,
yeah,
so
yeah,
around
yeah.
the corner there, so. Yeah, Parry, that's a go on. Yeah. Yeah. Uncle Murphy. Come Murphy. What bread they put it down? You want one of them too? Yeah, come. He might give you 6 buns. We want round bread too, you know.
Good name, Greco bread now?
Yeah, man.
And then that's underneath the top.
Yeah.
And that's tray there. So we not in a bag. In a bag, make your Murphy.
No bad.
Put them down, make him get fit check. Put them, give me Murphy, so I make it check.
You want one more big bread, I say?
Yeah, boy, one night.
This a whole we eat.
Yeah.
Me don't mind it still. Me don't know if them fit. How much one of them here?
1,000.
Alright, you have to go give me one of the white one.
No, we don't know white. Don't go brown now.
Only brown.
Yeah.
So I want to turn and eat this so.
Then me have brown bread, man. Brown bread.
Them down is a brown bread.
Yeah, man. The whole of them
So
are
what the
brown
grotto then?
bread. Grotto, what you want?
The grotto done?
No, man.
Give me 3 grotto bread, you know. Me have to carry 2 grotto for sure. Yeah, alright. Give me. Where bun? You give me bun?
Long one?
No, we don't want a long one. We want the round one.
Yeah, man. I them that. 6 of them.
Alright, check. What else you have? You know nothing else there?
We have corn bread.
Corn bread.
4 and a half.
Let me see corn bread. You like corn bread this time? You
Bread
like
and
it?
cheese, yeah. No,
Yeah.
no.
Alright, give me one of that.
One of
And
this.
check for me, baby.
Your bill, which one I bill up here?
See, Billy, I did it.
Oh, what? Oh, this
One
is your
bread for one
Alright,
bread.
yeah.
Sorry, run her back there, you know. Yeah, man. I'm on my mouth. I'm going to drink this morning of some hot water, half cup of hot water. Just busy for that. Do what? No, my one.
I'm going to go down, come here for that front. Them I eat them bun too, you know, I'm sure no them. Yes man, see Uncle Murphy bun there? See that bun here?
Yeah.
Hey, bun! A Easter! That you?
Yeah.
Yeah, a Easter
burn
time.
it up.
Yeah. I the man them say sad on me.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, Parry. I have some of them in that eye gate having breakfast up by Oasis 22, so we food there, show them our food. Our country people will be here, so we cook up here.
Curry chicken, Uncle Murphy, ackee and saltfish.
And Dad, ackee and saltfish, I'm going to buy one food for show too. I come hardware for show, because I try to get show in, I'm out for Easter, if I even after a week of Easter, so. Final hardware thing I come on, you know. Tile and everything, we're going to tile out everything for sure, so. I never come on a cooking mode today, so. Breakfast, curry chicken and food.
Why should I give me a dumpling?
You don't get a dumpling? Ask her if you get ackee and saltfish, if you get a dumpling, man. I don't have butter, me no.
You can get it in now.
Oh, she say you can get it.
Dumpling man.
Man, when I ackee and saltfish, you eat your one dumpling.
Yeah, man.
Boiled dumpling in it?
Wild dumpling, baby.
Yes.
We love the wild dumpling.
Yeah, so that's how we're there. We have to give them a strength. I'm a parish people, let me know. Wow. Nice little restaurant, you know. And I first to eat your man. Remember Uncle Murphy? Your Uncle Murphy come to sleep already. Dad, you're late.
Yeah, man.
You remember me? So me I tell you, she say, yes, she remember me. So me not tell you no lie, you not get no bunny on there, I get cheese. Hi.
Aye.
Uncle Murphy. Uncle Murphy, I saw you live. You get the, hey, show them where you get the extra dumpling and a boy, extra boiled dumpling. Show them you
Yeah,
got
extra one. See there?
Yeah,
Yeah,
man.
beautifully done. Nice work, nice work. Nice work cooking in the kitchen. Them cooler there.
History.
So, that's why I see Parry, I turn on something, you know. So, I forget blessing, you know. I'm going to come and buy food, and we eat. I have to buy one cafe shoe, because we don't do no cooking in here today, so I have to buy one food cafe. That's why I feel my blessing, I have to come. We can't treat people bad, you know. The people that come now and eat, I don't know if eat food. But I know I'm not going to cook, I'm going to cook up my foot here now. I have to buy one food for you. But guess what? I feed my face, you know, so for my food, your curry chicken, but comment and look, me that check it already, you know. I can't meal dumpling them have a minute. I can't meal dumpling smelly, you know. I never eat no fried dumpling. You trying to drink for?